everyone, so here I am back again with a new video. Yes, this video is gonna be about my 21 days challenge. Yes, you heard it right, I have took a challenge of 21 days. So in this challenge मैं अपना बेटर वर्जन को एक्सप्लोर करूँगी, अपनी न्यू साइट्स को एक्सप्लोर करूँगी एंड बिकमिंग मोर प्रोडक्टिव मेनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टडी एंड you can also join me in this journey if you want to become more productive and a better version of yourself. So many creators on the YouTube, on the Insta page doing the same. What's so different on my page, so that you can be convinced to join me in this journey and to be with me in my journey, also to subscribe my page and to watch me in my videos that make me and my page different. That is reality. Yes, एज यू ऑल नो, मोस्ट ऑफ द जो क्रिएटर्स होते हैं वो हमको कभी भी हसल्स नहीं दिखाते, रियलिटी नहीं दिखाते. दे जस्ट शो अस द एस्थेटिक्स. yes, the aesthetics की yes we can do that, and most of the aesthetic environment, aesthetic things and all that. बट वो हमें ये नहीं दिखाते कि रियलिटी क्या होती है, हसल्स क्या होता है व्हेन वी डू समथिंग, व्हेन वी ट्राई टू डू समथिंग न्यू and when we want to achieve our goal. So I am gonna show you this. So in this 21 days challenge, I am gonna wake up at 3:30. I am gonna have a morning study session of at least 2 hours, like from 4 to 6 hours, because from 7 o'clock there is my yoga class in my college, so I have to get ready for that and have to go to department, so 1 hour for that. That's why a study session from 4 to 6 in the morning. And then I want to become a little bit more spiritual and gaining some new habits, learning some new things, avoid junk food and inappropriate use of money, become more productive, to learn something new, to make my academic comeback. So this challenge is gonna be that. So mainly the main focus is sleeping early, wake up early, have a morning session, becoming a positive mindset, try to complete my to-do list. I will share my to-do list daily with you. And where I'm gonna post this, I'm gonna post my this challenge on my YouTube shorts. So you will get my daily challenge video there. You can also join me, you can also share your to-do list in my comment section, and at the night you can also check what you have completed or what you have not completed. And the main point about my page is and about my challenges कि अगर मुझसे कोई चीज़ नहीं भी हुई है, इफ़ आई एम अनेबल टू मेक इट एनी डे बिकॉज आई फील लो और एनीथिंग हैपन टू मी, सो आई विल ऑल्सो शेयर यू दैट. I will not only share the perfection with you because I never believe in perfection, क्योंकि कोई परफेक्ट होता ही नहीं है, कभी भी कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं हो सकता. बस हम अपना बेटर वर्जन बन सकते हैं डे बाय डे, बाय गेनिंग न्यू हैबिट्स, गुड हैबिट्स एंड बाय लिविंग आर बैड हैबिट्स. सो बस मैं यही करूँगी इस चैलेंज में, दैट and if on some days I was unable to make it, I will also tell you that, so that you can be relatable and you can be real and you can gain confidence also, that everyone can be imperfect and everyone have low days in which they have their lowest points. So I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna start it from 1 April, 1st of April. Yes, you heard it right. And where today I'm shooting this video, this is 31st of March. Yes, a day before that. But maybe this video after editing and all, you get it on Sunday. I'm shooting it on Monday and you will get it on Sunday. Yes, after 1 week, because I have classes and all of that, so it will take time to get edited this video, तो इसलिए आपको मिलेगी. बट आई विल always share all the things with you and I am here to guide you. You can join me in this journey. You can be better version of yourself and we will make mistakes together, we will learn together and we will grow together. And by doing this, we will become a bestest version of ourselves one day. I am on this journey. You can also join me in this journey of mine and you can create your own journey to become your better version. And I'm maybe I will try to post it daily, my daily challenge. But if because of some delays, but it might be a little late. We have to done editing and all to post it before. Yes, I know this is gonna be raw. Raw means real. जो reality होगी वही show करूँगी, कुछ भी fake नहीं show करूँगी. But editing obviously सब कुछ तो नहीं दिखा सकती ना एक 60 सेकंड के shorts में. तो obviously I will try to capture all the main points and I will share my to-do list daily so that you can get a confidence. I will also share how many tasks I have done till the night completed from my to-do list so that you will get a confidence and you will also get a boost that you can also do that. इसलिए मैं ये सीरीज़ कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू ज्वाइन यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन. आई एम हेयर टू गाइड यू. आई एम हेयर टू getting guide with from you. Like if I have problem, I will share with you, I will ask for solution, and if you have any problem you can also comment below and I will try to help you in every way possible. So that is it for this video. It is mainly about my 21 days challenge and you can also join me in that. Please take it if you want and try to become your better version as I am. बाकी आप लोग thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more challenges, more videos, and I am gonna make it more realistic, full on unfiltered. Nothing like gonna be I'm perfect or aesthetic setups. No, just reality. So you can hit the subscribe button below to join me in my journey. And that's it for video. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.